In the PRVC AC mode, the question is, will the tidal volume change if we change our inspiratory time? So because we're changing our inspiratory time to a lesser inspiratory time, we're changing to a 1:4 ratio, we are changing the flow. We're allowing a shorter amount of time for the air to get into the lungs, so that makes the flow have to increase in order to achieve that. So, if we change our flow, our tidal volume will be affected, but it will only be affected for the first couple breaths. In PRVC, anytime there's a change in compliance, resistance, our rate, anything that changes flow, we will see just a small change in our tidal volume, and then we will see the ventilator slowly compensate back to that targeted tidal volume of 500. Remember, it can only change every breath by 3 centimeters of water. So if it's a big change in compliance or a big change in resistance, and it needs to get back to that 500 from a higher volume or a very lower volume, then it may take a couple breaths. So let's see what this change in tidal volume does. Okay, so 2 seconds to 0.8 seconds. We can see our tidal volume went down by 10 mils and then up by 20 mils. So the ventilator is kind of honing in on that targeted tidal volume. And that is how PRVC works. It works to equilibrate to our targeted volume over a series of subsequent breaths. So a change in I time will result in a change in tidal volume, but only until it levels out.